Yeah, good day, everyone. I'll be making a presentation on the paper titled Barriers to Digitalization in the Nigerian Construction Industry by Idowu, Aigbavboa CEO, and Akure AE. Digitalization has been popular around the world due to its capability of increasing project efficiency, effectiveness, and also bring new opportunities. Rethinking the construction industry is being greatly aided by digitalization. Because of this, the construction industry is accelerating its adoption of new technologies, enabling it to advance to business models, value chains, and production methods that are more effective. That's according to Ezeokoli et al. 2016. Then the construction industry, like every other sector, is experiencing a paradigm shift as new technologies, also known as disruptive technologies, gain traction globally. Oluwaseun Sami et al. 2018. Digitalization promotes expansion of the construction sector, minimize the project delays, lowers the likelihood of accidents, and also ensure economically sound construction projects. Usman and Said, 2014. The study conducted by Yusuf et al. 2021 also highlighted the challenges of digitalization in Nigeria. He highlighted them as technological backwardness, low financial capacity, and lack of government support. So the Nigerian construction needs to harness the benefit of digitalization in order to improve performance and productivity. Because the whole world is going towards digitalization, so there is need for the Nigerian construction industry to also embrace it and also adopt digitalization, which makes work to be much more easier and more sustainable. The paper addresses the barriers of digitalization in the Nigerian construction industry with a view of improving the construction project performance. And to address this, we looked at the barriers of digitalization in the Nigerian construction industry and also look at the benefits of digitalization adoption in the Nigerian construction industry. The research employed the use of a survey research design in which a structured close-ended questionnaire was used for data collection. These questionnaires were administered to selected professionals in the Nigerian construction industry, domiciled in Lagos State. So we selected Lagos State, being that Lagos State is a major hub of construction activities in Nigeria, and any results in Lagos could be generalized for the whole of Nigeria. So the professionals who form our target population includes architects, builders, engineers, quantity surveyors, and project managers who are knowledgeable on this subject matter. So we were able to distribute a total of 150 questionnaires, of which 125 were retrieved and considered fit for analysis after being checked for correctness. So the data were analyzed using mean item score and percentages. Findings. Looking at the background information of respondents, about 25% of the respondents are quantity surveyors, 15% are architects, 34% are engineers, 16% are builders, while 10% are project managers. And also 35% of the respondents work in the construction firm, 25% works in the consultancy firm, while 40% works in the government establishment. The reason being that we want to have an holistic information from all these sectors. So a larger percentage of the respondents have about 10 years experience, and about 74.43% of the respondents are corporate members of their respective professional bodies. So which make information from them viable and could be relied upon. So looking at the barriers to digitalization of the construction industry, we were able to identify about 16 barriers. And ranking first is the resistance to technology by stakeholders, followed by high cost of digital technology, then followed by inadequate power supply. I think this is very peculiar to the Nigerian construction industry, because most industries have to spend much money in power and generating power supply, maybe having a generator and the like. So following the inadequate power supply difficulties in adapting to change, then inadequate digital facilities, then ranking list, we have lack of strategy and competing priorities, technological challenges, lack of support from government and lack of collaboration, and shortage of trained personnel. We also looked at the benefits of digitalization. So when the construction industry in Nigeria, if they can adopt this digitalization, to bring a lot of benefit to them. First on the list is shortening completion time. So the completion time of projects will be shortened, because most of the issues that would have brought out about delay would have been addressed, because there is this level of collaboration due to digitalization. Then it also improves collaboration among stakeholders on the project. Then it also increases productivity at low cost. So productivity can be increased, and at the same time reducing the cost. Then also it increases the speed of work, reduces burden of data storage, then improves budget management. It makes budgeting to be much more easier. Then it reduces construction error, because easily, due to digitalization, errors can easily be spotted. Then we also have better workflow, improves communication, then simpler working methods, then increases document quality, then speed of response time. So the response time from various people on the project will also be speed up, then better safety. So in conclusion, this paper identified the various barriers of digitalization in the Nigerian construction industry, as well as assess the benefit of adopting digital technologies in the construction industry. So digitalization has become an indispensable part of the modern life, bringing numerous advantages such as increased efficiency, accessibility, and connectivity. Various barriers were identified, ranging from lack of awareness, high cost of digitalization, to inadequate power supply, which is a major challenge to all sectors in Nigeria. It is therefore recommended that these obstacles to be addressed, such that the Nigerian construction industry can have economic growth and development through digitalization, and also government should help improve the issue of power supply. That is, it is very crucial to digitalization adoption. Thank you for listening.